Are you looking for the best budget router 2021? In this guide, we go through the top 5 budget routers on the market. Here's the number 1 on the list. ASUS RTAC66UB1. This is a dual-band wireless router that comes with plenty of features, including a 1 GHz CPU that powers up the wireless technology. It can support speeds of up to 1750 megabits per second and offers responsive coverage for larger homes of up to 3,000 square feet. This should be plenty for any work-related and retail demand. You can also monitor and manage your network using your mobile device thanks to the ASUS Router app. The device is also equipped with a firewall, spy intrusion detection, and DOS protection. The setup is very easy to go through and it supports Linux, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS X or higher, and other Windows-based computers. There's an integrated USB 3.0 and 2.0 port that will allow you to share the network through different devices and access your files thanks to the ACLID 2.0 support. Overall, ASUS routers are great and this provides a great bridge between your gaming PC and your wireless network. It offers a stable internet connection with good Wi-Fi connectivity strength. Here's the number 2 on the list. TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi router. This one will allow you to support an internet connection with a speed of up to 1750 megabits per second, just like the ASUS. This is particularly high, and you will be able to stream in 4K on multiple devices without worrying about buffering issues. It comes with 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, and it's ideal for virtually any internet plan you may have. It will allow you to connect it directly to your wired devices for maximum performance. It also works with all Wi-Fi devices, AC, and others. There's a USB access, so you can share your USB drive content easily and without additional hassle. It includes a 2-year warranty, as well as free 24/7 support. The Tether app of TP-Link will provide you to set up and manage your home network remotely and with ease. Here's the number 3 on the list. D-Link EXO Wi-Fi Router AX1500. This one also comes with voice control, which is pretty interesting. Nevertheless, this perk aside, it supports speeds of up to 1500 megabits per second, which is slightly less than the previous 2 options we talked about. You can, however, stream high-resolution content without any issues, despite the reduced output. Going forward, you can connect more devices at faster speeds thanks to the increased capacity of the router. In device-dense environment, the router promises to work even better and it should support up to 4 simultaneous streams while delivering the data to the wireless devices without any serious latency. This is thanks to the fact that it combines multiple small packets into a single packet, allowing multiple devices to receive information at the same time. It boasts high throughput and an overall efficient transmission. With a mesh-capable router, you can have more than one access point. You can set up various points which can increase your distance and allow more mobile devices, smart devices and game consoles to connect. Here's the number 4 on the list. Tenda AC10U Smart Gigabit Wi-Fi Router. Now, the first thing to note about this one is that its throughput is a bit less. It can support speeds of up to 1200 megabits per second, though this should be more than enough for the wide majority of tasks you'd have to handle on your computer or mobile device. The manufacturer says that you can hook up to 30 wireless devices and maintain optimum network conditions, though some of the people have said that this is not actually true and the speed is getting notably reduced. The 4 gigabit LAN ports provide quick and secure wired connections whenever you may need them. This is very convenient, especially when you need a boost in your internet speed on a single device. It's compatible with the major internet providers, and it should be a perfect fit for most internet plans. Here's the 5th one on the list. TP-Link AC1200. This one comes with a 1200 megabits per second throughput capacity. It's a dual-band router that will definitely do you good, especially if you're looking for a solution for your home or perhaps a smaller office where you won't use that many connected devices. Keep in mind that if you put many devices through, the connection is likely to get slower, but that's to be expected from most budget routers. It supports parental control and guest Wi-Fi, though, which is a pretty neat feature to have if you want to control your kids from playing video games all day. The MU-MIMO technology will allow for higher speeds, as the 5G HC band works to optimize this. There are 4 gigabit LAN ports that are perfect for any internet plan and will also allow you to connect wired devices directly.
Today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng ARWV.
So should I buy my own Wi-Fi router? This is the most asked questions when it comes to buying a router. Here's a quick answer. Buying a router is a much better financial decision than renting one. It will save you money in the long run. You can use this to access Wi-Fi 6 800 2.11 It's recommend you stick with Wi-Fi 6 routers for 30% faster speeds and great performance. If you're one of those serious gamers, you need your own router. Router setup is easy, and you can easily connect your smart home devices. A mesh Wi-Fi system is a bit harder to set up, but still easy. I hope this video wraps up whatever your question in mind. Please subscribe before moving on the next video. Check out other related videos on Jess Basics. Thank you for watching, and Jess will see you soon.